Hey everyone, Jacob Stone here. I am going to be DoorDashing to earn money, showcasing filmmaker journey of having to make money in between gigs and all that stuff, or earn extra income on the side as I get gigs and clients. But I want to start something for every Friday. I'm going to be doing something called Film Frame Friday, where I give my unfiltered frame on industry lessons, takes, and what really works in the industry. Just stuff I've learned over my 15 years of video production, working as a DP, and just other tips and tricks that I feel like I can give in a moment's notice while driving. So I'm gonna try and keep these videos 5 minutes or less, but I just want to give my unfiltered take of what I feel works or stuff that I think's not working. So on today's Film Frame Friday, my unfiltered frame on industry lessons, takes, and what really works, we are talking about AI in the film industry. Now, I'm sure all of y'all know it is no surprise that AI is just rampant all over the place and everything. It is very much in everything. I used to work in the tech world, and they would push just so much AI everywhere. You would have to use it in your job, like different conversations, meetings, on projects. I'm like, where do we get to a point to where that we can't do our jobs and function without AI, right? Like, I remember a time when didn't even have flip phones, didn't have cell phones. You could just you'd have to go use a landline to talk to people or talk on the landline, or go knock on someone's door. Now we're at a point where we're like, all right, we have to use AI and everything. Got to brainstorm, got to use AI to create stuff. And I'm like, stop. Just stop it. I feel like AI is a great tool. It helps so many ways. It helps give, I feel like it helps people who have maybe struggled with writing or creating in the past, and it helps them able to create where they couldn't before. And I think that's wonderful. And I think it even gives assistance to possibly just help bring ideas, because it essentially searches the internet, right? But I feel it should never, ever, ever replace what we can create as humans, right? Because, and as y'all know, I'm Christian. I want to bring faith into this, and God is our creator, right? We were made in his image. So if God's the ultimate creator and we're made in his image, that means we're creators. So I feel that we should use AI cautiously. It's a great tool. I feel like it can be used in certain situations, but it should never, ever replace our ability to create, because it can't. It can't think like we can. It just never will. I don't think it'll be able to replace or create or analyze as well as human beings can. And I think we just need to take a step back, stop using AI as much as we are, and just create from our own mind, our own feelings, our own thoughts. Still use AI as a tool where it can assist, perhaps. Maybe it can proofread, because to be honest, my speech and grammar is not amazing. My writing's not amazing. But I still want to create. I still want to write. I still want to film stuff. I still want to edit, even though I don't like editing or writing that much. I'm a DP. I love shooting more and filming. but let me do it. Let me create. I want AI robots to do the laundry and dishes and the stuff that I don't want to do. I want to create still. I want to do all that. And if I can't do something, like, as I said, I'm not the best writer, I don't like editing that much, I'd rather hire someone that can write and edit. And, you know, I'm getting back into photography. I love doing lighting and composition. I don't want AI to create photos. I want to take the photos. I'd rather capture and convey that human emotion by myself, not through AI. And that's my take on this film frame Friday. If you like this format, I'm going to be doing this for a while because I'm going to be doing some door dashing. But if you like Film Frame Friday and you want to see more, please like and share this video. Please subscribe and comment what you think below. Comment what you want to probably be the next topic. All right. Bye, everyone. Like and subscribe. And oh yeah, I think you'll like this video too.